A compelling look at engineering in action, Jackhammer Elegies revolves around a structural engineer who finds himself thwarting a terrorist plot to blow up multiple structures in cities surrounding Washington, D.C. And after saving many lives from an explosion in a building that he designed, the hero uses his keen intellect and structural knowledge to consult in the FBI's investigation to catch the criminal mastermind. The Set Award for a novel goes to author Stefan Jaeger for Jackhammer Elegies.
Well, thanks so much to EIC for this award. It's certainly a tremendous honor. Also, special thanks to Skylar Jackson for making me aware that I could enter my novel into this awards program. It's been a very interesting experience, certainly. I'm not an engineer myself, but I sort of translated my hard science background into working for engineering associations for the last 28 years, currently with the American Society of Civil Engineers in Reston, Virginia. And over those decades, the refrain I always heard from the engineers in those associations, it became almost a tired cliche, is why can't there be a television show, LA Engineer? You know, take off on the old LA Law show of a legal office. And the idea being that you heard from Grey's Anatomy that, you know, those kind of shows of doctors and lawyers, they inspire people to enter the fields, and so where's the engineering office in the entertainment industry? Well, I can't write for television, but I had been writing quite a bit of fiction, and thought I'd take my shot. I mean, there's certainly models like John Grisham who creates human drama around the legal profession. And certainly it's something that's in the news. You may be aware that a lot of our nation's infrastructure is crumbling from a lack of investment, and certainly systems, public works systems like drinking water or power lines are subject to terrorist attack. There is that threat, and that was a theme in my novel. I do want to quickly thank two prominent civil engineering writers who reviewed my book in draft stage, the late Rich Weingart and also Henry Petrosky. And the same thanks go to my colleagues at ASCE for that kind of review of Casey Dinges, Tom Smith, and Pat Natal. No one's made that show, LA Engineer. I hope my book took a small step in the direction for a novel, and who knows, I'm certainly biased, but maybe there's a movie in that story as well. So hats off to EIC for promoting these kind of opportunities. Thank you.